Good morning, student. Myself Chirag Sukani from Rafael BB College Vapi, and I'm going to teach you financial management subject. Now today we will start the next chapter, that is capital budgeting chapter, and today in this session we will discuss about the meaning, definition, then need and importance of capital budgeting. Now before starting, what do you mean by capital budgeting? We discuss about some introductory part about the long term investment. Now, first of all, the financial decision making, it is viewed as an integral part of the overall management of the business concern. Okay, we all know that the financial decision making is what? It is an integral part of the overall management of the business concern. Now, the finance manager has to make the financial decision within the framework of the overall corporate objectives and the policies. And the decision in financial management has been divided into three broad categories, that is investment decision, फाइनेंसिंग डिसीजन एंड द डिविडेंड डिसीजन. होप सो कि आपने ये पढ़ लिया होगा. दैट इज थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ डिसीजन, दैट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन, फाइनेंसिंग डिसीजंस एंड द डिविडेंड डिसीजन. नाउ द इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन मेन relates to the selection of the assets के in which the fund will be invested by the firm. Okay, investment करना मतलब we have to make investment in the purchase of the fixed assets. Okay, financing decision मतलब from where the money can be financed, equity से या debt से कैसे money finance करना है. एंड डिविडेंड डिसीजन, जो भी हमारे शेयर होल्डर्स को उसको डिविडेंड देना या नहीं देना. सो दिस इज अ मेजर थ्री टाइप ऑफ डिसीजन, दैट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन, फाइनेंसिंग डिसीजन एंड द डिविडेंड डिसीजन. अमंग दैट द इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन relates to the selection of the assets in which fund will be invested by the firm. So assets that can be acquired with this fund are broadly divided into two, that is long term assets and the short term assets. ओके, सो इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन का मतलब क्या होता है कि असेट्स को सिलेक्ट करना है कि कौन से टाइप ऑफ असेट्स परचेज करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फंड. ओके, एंड देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ असेट, दैट इज लॉन्ग टर्म असेट एंड द शॉर्ट टर्म असेट. नाउ द डिसीजन रिगार्डिंग शॉर्ट टर्म असेट, the decision related to the short term assets, it is designated as what? Working capital management. ओके, तो शॉर्ट टर्म असेट्स यानी डे टू डे एक्सपेंडिचर करना है या शॉर्ट टर्म असेट्स में इन्वेस्ट करना है, सो उसके लिए उसको क्या टर्म बोला जाता है? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट. ओके, ना आप नेक्स्ट फोर्थ चैप्टर में आप पढ़ोगे व्हाट इज वर्किंग कैपिटल. सो इट इज व्हाट? शॉर्ट टर्म assets. It is designated as a working capital management. And the decision related to the long term asset, it is called as what? Capital budgeting. In short, investment in short term asset can be designated as a working capital management, and the long term asset, it is designated as a capital budgeting decision. Okay, so in this chapter we mainly concern about the long term investment, that is capital budgeting decision. Okay, so here capital budgeting is the long term investment decision. It is probably the most crucial financial decisions of the firm. It relates to the selection of the assets or the investment proposal or the course of action that benefits are likely to be available in the future over the lifetime of the project. So capital budgeting is a process of making investment decision in the long term assets or the course of action. So capital expenditure incurred today is expected to bring its benefit over a period of time. These expenditure are related to the acquisition or the improvement of the fixed assets. So capital budgeting is nothing but it is what? Long term investment decision. And we all know that once the long term investment is done in investment, this benefit or that benefit are likely to be available in the future over a long period of time, over a lifetime of the project. It means what? Once you purchase the machinery, that is what? long term investment. Now जो ये मशीनरी आपने परचेज किया, उसका जो बेनिफिट्स, उसमें जो भी बेनिफिट्स आएगा वो आपको कब तक मिलेगा? ओवर अ लाइफ टाइम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. That is how we can say capital budgeting is the process of making investment decision in the long term assets or the course of action. So here capital expenditure incurred today is expected to bring its benefit over a period of time, and these expenditure are related to the acquisition as well as improvement of the fixed assets. Clear? Now every organization has to make plan for the expansion, diversification, modernization, then replacement of obsolete assets on a regular basis. For all this they need expenditure. Okay, and every organization makes certain plan. Okay, expansion of the business, then diversification of the business, okay, then modernization of the plant, replacement of the old assets, and so on. So these are the certain plan which every organization has to make, and for all this plan the firm have to make expenditure. For all this they need expenditure. Okay, so here business expenses are of two type, that is revenue expenditure and the capital expenditure. Now the routine expenses which are incurred to run the business from day to day are called revenue expenditure. यानी डे टू डे एक्सपेंडिचर है in order to run the business. This expenditure is called as what? Revenue expenditure. Say example, salary, wages, postage, etc. are the example of revenue expenditure. On the other hand, the expenditure incurred to purchase fixed assets such as land, machinery, furniture are called as what? Capital expenditure. Okay, so revenue expenditure मतलब day to day expenditure, and a capital expenditure means what? The expenditure incurred in order to purchase the fixed asset, that is what? Capital expenditure. So here spending money in the acquisition of such permanent facilities is called the capital expenditure. Okay, and planning for such expenditure, it is called as what? Capital budgeting. In short, capital budgeting is nothing but planning of certain capital expenditure, and capital expenditure is nothing but purchase of the fixed assets. Okay, so फिक्स असेट्स को कैसे परचेज करना है, कितने में करना है, क्यों करना है, इसके बारे में सब प्लानिंग करना है. इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? कैपिटल बजटिंग. क्लियर? सो वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट मेन इंपॉर्टेंट जो हमारे सिलेबस से स्टार्ट होगा, दैट इज मीनिंग एंड द डेफिनेशन ऑफ कैपिटल बजटिंग. So first of all, what is capital budgeting? Now capital budgeting is the process of long range planning involving investment of fund in the long term activities whose benefits are expected over a series of years, and once investment is to be done in the purchase of the fixed assets जिनका आपको बेनिफिट कब मिलने वाला है, which is expected over a series of years, and such benefit will derive over a long period of time. Okay, so capital budgeting, it is what? It is a process of long term planning involving investment of fund in the long term activity whose benefits are expected over a series of the years. Now the next meaning of capital budget is what? It is a presentation of estimate of the expected capital expenditure of the future. Okay, and a firm have to make estimate that कि कितना कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर करना है. दैट इज व्हाट? प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एस्टिमेट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेड कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ द फ्यूचर. देन नेक्स्ट definition given by Professor I.M. Pandey. So capital budgeting decision may be defined as what? Firm's decisions to invest its current fund most efficiently in the long run activities in anticipation of an expected flow of the future benefit over a series of the year. Same meaning दिख रहा है. So capital budgeting decision is nothing but it is a firm decisions to invest its fund in a purchase of the long term activity. So here purchase of the fixed assets mainly. That is what? Firms का decision to invest its money, its fund in the purchase of the long term activities, that is purchase of the fixed assets whose benefit are expected over a period of time. Clear? So capital budgeting decision is what? It is defined as what? A firm decision to invest its current fund most efficiently and effectively in the long term activity of the anticipation of a expected flow of the future benefit over a series of the year. Then another definition given by the Charles Horngreen. Now, capital budgeting is what? Long-term planning for making and financing proposed capital outlay. Now, it is a planning for making and financing proposed capital outlay. यानी we have to make estimation कि which assets we have to be purchased and from which assets the benefit is more. ओके सो आपको प्लानिंग करना है फॉर मेकिंग एंड फाइनेंसिंग प्रपोज्ड कैपिटल आउटले. अब तक आपने मशीनरी परचेज नहीं किया बट आपको मशीनरी परचेज करना है या कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट में इन्वेस्ट करना है, सो आप उसको डिसीजन लोगे कोई कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट में और कौन से मशीनरी में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, सो दैट जो एक्सपेक्टेड बेनिफिट है, जो आपको फ्यूचर में बेनिफिट मिलने वाला है, वो कौन से प्रोजेक्ट से ज़्यादा मिलेगा. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट प्लानिंग फॉर मेकिंग एंड फाइनेंसिंग प्रपोज कैपिटल आउटले. So here capital budgeting, it is also known as investment decision, capital expenditure planning as well as project planning and so on. This is what meaning and the definition of the capital budgeting. Now next question, need and importance of capital budgeting and why there is a need of capital budgeting. So first point is what? It is a large expenditure. Now capital expenditure involves investment of very huge amount in land, building, plant and machinery, equipment, furniture, etc. So proper care and the wisdom need to be exercised so that huge amount of investment does not go waste. Agree ना कि जो भी आप कैपिटल असेट्स में, जो फिक्स असेट्स में आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो वो ह्यूज अमाउंट रहता है, नहीं कि वो 10,000 20,000 का रहता है. कोई भी मशीनरी में या कोई भी लैंड और फैक्ट्री बिल्डिंग में आप इन्वेस्ट करोगे उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज़, करोड़ ऑफ रुपीज़ रहता है. सो कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर इन्वॉल्व्स इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ वेरी ह्यूज अमाउंट इन द फिक्स असेट्स. सो प्रॉपर केयर एंड द विजडम नीड टू बी एक्सरसाइज सो दैट जो भी ह्यूज अमाउंट है वो कभी भी हमारा वेस्ट ना जाए. सो फॉर दैट कैपिटल बजटिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड, कैपिटल बजटिंग इज नीडेड. क्लियर. सेकंड इज व्हाट? इट इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट. नाउ the effect of capital expenditure may be favorable or the unfavorable long last. Okay, so effect extend over a long period of time. Now the proper and right decision yield return over a long period of time, while wrong decision creates the risk for the very existence of the business unit. It means अगर जो भी आपका कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर वो लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट है, नाउ दिस इफेक्ट मे बी फेवरेबल और द अनफेवरेबल. क्लियर. नाउ अगर प्रॉपर एंड द राइट डिसीजन होगा विच यील्ड अ इनकम, विच यील्ड अ रिटर्न ओवर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, वाइल आपका रॉन्ग डिसीजन जाएगा, इट विल मेक क्वेश्चन मार्क फॉर द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ द बिजनेस यूनिट. इट मीन्स व्हाट? अगर वो रॉन्ग गया ना तो आपका बिजनेस को शट डाउन भी करना पड़ जाए. देयरफॉर प्रपोजल ऑफ कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर रिक्वायर्ड scrutiny at the different level and from different angle. That is why careful capital investment is to be made. Clear. And for this purpose the capital budgeting decision is required. Third is what? Estimate and uncertainty. Now most of the investment decision are based on the future expectation, but we all know that the future is always be uncertain. So accurate estimation of the future trend is too difficult, but the decision of investment which are taken by considering the capital budgeting technique will give nearer result as estimate. It means ये कैपिटल बजटिंग में भी आप खाली एस्टिमेट करते हो कि कौन सा मशीनरी अच्छा होगा, कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट में इन्वेस्ट करना अच्छा होगा फ्यूचर के लिए, बट वी ऑल नो दैट कि फ्यूचर इज टोटली व्हाट? अनसर्टन रहता है. ओके, सो फ्यूचर के बारे में एस्टिमेट करना, एक्यूरेटली एस्टिमेट करना, इट इज़ व्हाट? वेरी मच डिफिकल्ट, इट इज़ टू मच डिफिकल्ट. बट अगर आप डिसीजंस लोगे, दैट इज डिसीजन अबाउट द इन्वेस्टमेंट विच आर टेकन बाय कंसिडरिंग द कैपिटल बजटिंग टेक्निक ना, विल गिव नियरर रिजल्ट विच आर एस्टिमेटेड. एंड इट मीन्स अगर आप थ्रू कैपिटल बजटिंग डिसीजंस आप लोगे ना, कि जो भी आपका डिसीजन है वो टू सम एक्सटेंट राइट हो सकता है अबाउट इन फ्यूचर. ओके, that is why again there is a need of capital budgeting. Then decisions not reversible. Now जो भी कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर डिसीजंस है वंस मेड एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेड बिकम्स इरिवर्सिबल. इरिवर्सिबल मतलब आप ऐसा तो नहीं करोगे ना कभी कि मैंने 1 करोड़ का मशीनरी परचेज किया, चलो अच्छा नहीं है बेच दो, तो 1 करोड़ नहीं आएगा बट लेस देन 1 करोड़ ही आएगा, ऑलवेज सेकंड हैंड हो जाता है वो. ओके, सो जो भी आप एक बार इन्वेस्टमेंट कर लेते हो ना वो रिवर्सिबल नहीं है. क्लियर. नाउ दे कैन नॉट बी रिवर्सिबल विदाउट सफरिंग अ लॉस. अगर आपने उसको बेच दिया तो अल्टीमेटली तो आपको लॉस ही जाता है. देयरफॉर द डिसीजन शुड मेड बाय द कैपिटल बजटिंग टेक्निक proves to be profitable so that question of reversing them does not arises. Okay, so capital budgeting decision, it is what irreversible decision. It is what irreversible decision. It means what कि once decision is made ना वो decision आप revert नहीं कर पाते हो. This is why capital budgeting is needed, because through capital budgeting we make careful investment in a fixed assets so that expected benefit can be achieved. Then effect on profitability. Now profitability of the business is influenced by the permanent assets more than by the current assets. Okay, in fact earning capacity of the business unit depends mainly on the level of the fixed assets it possesses. It means if the factory building is expanded fully, latest machinery is installed and the future trend are also predicted, the units will earn handsome profits. Vice versa, if the business unit is not, or we can say is insufficient equipped in terms of building and machinery na, if its estimate go wrong, its profit will decline. Agree ना कि ultimate profitability of the business वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? It depends upon the influence of the permanent assets rather than the current asset. Okay, and we all know that कि earning capacity of the business unit depends mainly on the level of the fixed assets. It means अगर कंपनी के पास फैक्ट्री बिल्डिंग एकदम इक्विप्ड होगा, इंस्टॉल्ड लेटेस्ट मशीनरी होगा, ये सब अच्छा होगा, सो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी विल बी इंक्रीज इन फ्यूचर. बट फैक्ट्री बिल्डिंग इम्प्रॉपर है, मशीनरी आउटडेटेड है, तो अल्टीमेटली प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी क्या हो जाता है? डिक्लाइन. सो इफेक्ट ऑन प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, अगेन इट रिक्वायर द कैपिटल बजटिंग. द नेक्स्ट, मेक्स और मार द फ्यूचर ऑफ द कंपनी. यानी कंपनी का फ्यूचर बिल्ड करना है, बनाना है, तो अगेन इट रिक्वायर द कैपिटल बजटिंग. नाउ टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट द फ्यूचर ऑफ द कंपनी डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर डिसीजन. इट मीन्स राइट डिसीजन मेक द फ्यूचर while wrong decision threaten the existence of the company. यानी careful capital expenditure is to be made. It means careful capital expenditure is to be made means what? It is what? Right decision. So अगर आपका right decision होगा, it make the future of the company. But आपने capital expenditure proper नहीं किया, so loss will be incurred. So wrong decision threaten the existence of the company. Clear? Then next is wealth or worth maximization of the shareholders. Now the long term capital investment decision protect the interest of the shareholders and the enterprise because it avoid over investment and the under investment in the fixed assets. So the management facilitate wealth maximization of the equity shareholders. It means a careful capital investment avoid over investment or the under investment. Okay, यानी थ्रू केयरफुल कैपिटल बजटिंग ऑप्टिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट इज टू बी अंडरटेकन इन द फिक्स असेट्स या मशीनरी या पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट. दिस may lead to what? Increase wealth of the shareholders. Clear? And next is what? Cost reduction. Now it may be useful in considering methods of cost reduction, as cost reduction campaign may necessitate the consideration of purchasing most up to date modern equipment. Okay, यानी जो भी आप careful investment करोगे, capital expenditure is to be made carefully, then there will be lead to what? Cost reduction. Clear? And हर एक फर्म का एम क्या होगा कि टू परचेज मशीनरी एट अ लीस्ट कॉस्ट. सो थ्रू प्रॉपर कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर फर्म क्या करेगा, वही मशीनरी में इन्वेस्ट करेगा जहाँ पे कॉस्ट मिनिमम हो एंड द बेनिफिट्स मैक्सिमम हो थ्रू कॉस्ट बेनिफिट एनालिसिस. सो कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर डिसीजन इज अगेन नीडेड फॉर कॉस्ट रिडक्शन पर्पस. So here these are the need or the importance of capital budgeting. Clear? Now in next session we will discuss the important topic, that is techniques of capital budgeting, जो हम लोग को use होगा in the calculation part. Clear?